Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Music with your Meta AI glasses. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and hear Apple Music on your Meta AI glasses. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Meta AI app. Click on the glasses icon on the bottom right. Click on the gear icon next to the glasses which you want to connect to Apple Music. Then scroll down, click on App Connections, then click on Apple Music. Afterwards, connect Apple Music, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Apple Music with your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.